How it helped us was get right up to speed to the latest developments within data science and machine learning and modeling. So what is good about the Talent Factory is it's not just finishing a course and then dropping into a company. Actually, the student is tracked for a longer time, for over several years actually, and that's, in my opinion, a must-have, because especially if the knowledge with regards to data science is not available within your company or at a minimal level, then what better place to have some experts to educate and also follow up on the current states of knowledge of data science than a Rewire. And I think that's something that the Talent Factory provides, not just the education, but also the follow-up for several years, and just making sure that the skill level and the knowledge level keeps growing instead of, okay, so I've done this and I'm a one-trick pony, but still augmenting the knowledge and skill set of the specific employee. That's very valuable for us. So what I think is an interesting point within the Talent Factory of Rewire is that the professors or the actually trainers, they come from different backgrounds within business and companies. So they're not teachers as such as you would have on a college or on a university, which gives them the ability to actually give practical examples, which is far more interesting than getting theory and theoretical examples, and that's very valuable.